In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly how I made $14,410 just in 13 days in this month using affiliate marketing with YouTube. Without ads, without big audience, and without showing my face, and without a website. Most people are doing YouTube completely wrong, and once you understand this, you will never look at YouTube at the same way again. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. I have been doing this business for over 6 years and I know what's working and what's not. And just last month, I have made $36,865, as you can see over here, and it's paid. This is my invoice recent payment request details. It's paid, as you can see here, guys, and I already received this payment in my PayPal account. So anyway, I'm here to show you guys how you can also start affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube and earn commissions. Step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and you need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr affiliates. So what you will do, guys, it's super easy. Just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Of course, it's for free. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page over here to your Fiverr homepage and just scroll down like this. Go to company and you should see here affiliates. Click on affiliate like this. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down and you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you can earn with this affiliate program. They are really paying good commissions, guys. The best part is that they keep paying you guys 10% of future orders, meaning that they keep paying 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn a good commission for his first order. You will earn up to 70% of the first order. So you can turn this into a passive income, okay? For pro services, you can earn up to 70% of the first order. It's a really good commissions. For logo, if you are promoting logo services, you can earn $30 for the first order. You guys can see here. And for other services, you can earn 25% of the first order, okay? Which is a really good affiliate marketing program. This is the best one, okay? So to join and create your affiliate account, go back to this page, just click here on join now, and here you go. As you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and confirm your password again, account type, make it private, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes, and what you will do here to get your account approved fast is you will go and create a YouTube channel that you will use to promote Fiverr affiliate services, because we will start promoting Fiverr affiliate services, and you need to create at least between 3 and 5 videos, upload them in this YouTube channel, then put your YouTube channel link here, and that's it, okay? And click here on country. Choose your country from here, search for your country. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. And choose your language from here. And if you have Telegram account, you guys can put your Telegram account. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate links to buy services from you. Okay, it's clear. What you need to do next is you need to promote good services on YouTube. You need to promote services that people are already searching for. You need to promote services that solve problems for people. How you can find good and services that people will be interested to buy. So here is what you will do next. Pay close attention. You will go, let's go to private window, okay? Let me go over here to new private window to show you guys, and let's go to YouTube like this. Okay, let's go to YouTube, just go to this YouTube like this, you see. So this is like new account. So what we will do here, guys, to find good services that people will be interested to buy, is we will use YouTube search bar. Click on the YouTube search bar and type question. Let's say, for example, how to grow, for example, how to grow Instagram. Here you go. You just need to type keyword, okay? And YouTube, guys, will gives you the topics that people are searching for on YouTube right now. This is a report search prediction. This is what people are searching for on YouTube right now. They are searching for how to grow Instagram account, how to grow Instagram followers, how to grow Instagram professional account, and how to grow Instagram page from 0 followers. You see, this audience, guys, that is searching for this topic will be interested to buy. Let's go back to Fiverr. You will go back to your Fiverr homepage and you will click here on the search and you will search for Instagram promotion. So this audience on YouTube that search for how to grow Instagram accounts, they are interested. They want to grow Instagram followers. They want to grow their accounts, but they don't know how. That's why they go to YouTube to search. Keep in your mind that people search before they buy in. They are searching and how they can grow their Instagram accounts. Then they will buy. So people who are searching for Instagram, how to grow Instagram accounts on YouTube, they will be interested to buy this service, guys. Instagram promotion. Search for Instagram promotion on Fiverr. Scroll down, you will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good seller. How we can choose good sellers? Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you guys that you can use, okay? Let me choose one, for example. So for example, I will pick this one. You guys can see this one is pro seller. He has over 1,000 reviews, meaning that this one is a good one. He is providing good service for his customers and they are buying. So let's click on his service. Click on his service like this. Just click on the service of the seller. He is providing 5% discount for the first order, which is really good. And here you go. Do you see, guys, what I'm talking about? Already people are placing orders here on Fiverr. You guys can see here 170 orders in queue. Do you see this? Okay, which people will buy this service, guys? Which people are placing orders here? This audience on YouTube who search for how to grow Instagram accounts, how to grow Instagram followers, it's the same audience who is already paying for this service, you see? So it's already working. People are already placing orders. Keep in your mind that this is, guys, this is evergreen service, meaning that people will keep buying this service over and over and you will keep earning commissions like I explained in the beginning, okay? You will keep earning 10% revenue share, okay? People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. So here is what you will do next. You will copy the link of this seller like this. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. You need to create an affiliate link that you will use to promote this service. You will click here on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, and you have here reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and you will see this one, default and dip links. Click on default and dip links and you will be directly in this page over here. What you will do next here, you will click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. This will be your Fiverr affiliate link, guys. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Remember, if you are promoting pro services, always you will copy your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated sellers, you will copy your affiliate link from here, from this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. For this one, guys, Fiverr CPA old plan, it's an old account. I have an old account, guys, and this is an old plan. That's why I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. It's the same, okay? Don't worry. With Fiverr CPA old plan, with Fiverr Pro new plan, even this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, it's better, okay? So what you will do next, guys, is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, okay? I have just shown you the foundation of how this works, and you can definitely take this and try to piece the rest together on your own. But if you want to skip the 6 month of trial and error, and account bans and wasted ad spend. I have created, guys, a complete affiliate marketing course. It's not just more videos, it's my exact step-by-step blueprint, the template I use, the profitable services that I'm promoting, and I show you guys how you can use AI to create your own videos. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice, and so much more. If you are ready to stop trying and start scaling, you can reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video's description, and I will send you guys all the details. Okay, let's complete our video, guys. What you need to do next, like I said, we need to promote. You need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, guys, is you will go to YouTube and open a YouTube channel, and you will make a YouTube video about how this service will help people to grow their Instagram accounts. You will make a YouTube video about Fiverr and how this Fiverr service will help people to grow and increase followers and engagement for their Instagram account. You can open a YouTube channel for free. It's for free, guys, and you can start a YouTube channel completely for free, and you can use free AI tools to make faceless YouTube video that you will use to promote this service on YouTube. And guys, what you guys don't know, guys, let me show you, guys. YouTube, guys, has 30 billion monthly visitors. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two, and YouTube is getting millions of users every single day searching for services, searching for products, searching for topics. So start focusing on YouTube. In 2026, right now, what's working is YouTube. You need to focus on YouTube. Make content. Make content that will solve problems for people. Include your affiliate links in your video's description. You don't need a website, okay? And you can put your affiliate links in your video's description without a website, okay? 30 billion monthly visitors, it's a lot of traffic. You can get so much traffic from YouTube. Keep in your mind also, guys, you don't need a million of views. You just need to target the right audience. Make content for the audience that is searching for specific topics. Include your affiliate offers, and you will be good. For people who are asking how much we can earn, guys, let me show you. This service, guys, is a pro service, okay? You see this? It's pro service. So for pro services, guys, if you remember, you will earn 70% of the first order, okay? This service starting from $95. Guys, if you go to ChatGPT and you ask him what is 70% of $95, you guys can see here, it's $66. This is the commission that you can earn if one person buy this service from you, okay? Which is good commission. That's why I said in the beginning, this is the best affiliate marketing program. They are paying good commissions, okay? It's not like other affiliate programs who are paying you just few cents. This one is paying good commissions, guys, okay? 66. Keep in your mind, this is just the basic package, okay? Just the basic package, because some people can pay for this one standard package, and some people can pay for premium package. So if they pay for this one, you can earn more. If they pay for this one, you can earn more. It's just the basic package. It's still good commission, okay? And already people placing orders, as you can see. Already people are buying this service. Look how many people, guys, already paid. Over 5,000 reviews, meaning that over 5,000 people paid for this service, guys, okay? And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to learn more about this affiliate marketing program, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and I will send you all the details. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.